Hello everyone, I'm Peter. In this video I would like to show you how I convert a portrait image into a poster with few colors using Procreate. This workflow is suitable for beginners and advanced. We simply use the existing tools from Procreate. First of all, we look for a suitable photo. In this case, an older gentleman. This photo that has been taken in a very sunny environment, therefore have a very high contrast between light and dark areas. We will then compensate for it now by dividing the brightness range into two photos. Using a dark and a lighter photo for the later production of the poster. This gives us a higher dynamic range to work with. It's very simple. We duplicate the photo on 4 layers, as you see here. The result is an image with a significantly reduced number of colors. And we choose the very top layer and mix it down to the underlying layer with the hard mix option. Merge downwards. The picture is actually quite good, but you can see that on the right half of the face, the dark areas contain no details. Now comes the trick to solve this problem. We choose the upper of the 2 remaining layers and mix it again with the underlying one in hard mix option. With this upper layer, we then go to adjustments and select curves. Now we can actually see live how the adjustments we are now making on affects the final result of the image. With the curve adjustments, we can lighten the darker areas, thus control the former lighter parts a little too bright. But that should not bother us at first. On this image, we have now really more details in the former darker areas. Now we have the same picture in 2 different states, a normal exposed and an underexposed image. We choose an erasing brush in appropriate size and reduce the opacity. Due to the partial erasing of the darker layer, the underlying bright areas are now visible and showing more and more details. First, we try the effect on this drink can and the lower part of the image, and it works. Then we work on the eye on the left side and on the shadow under the head. Very interesting is the considerable improvement on the right half of the face. Just try it until you are satisfied with the result. Before we bring the two pictures together, let's take a very brief look at the lighter version. Merge the two pictures to have one image now. Under Adjustments, we choose now Gradient Maps. You can now choose any gradient map and determine the colors. It is also possible to determine the number of colors yourself. Just watch all my actions. If you want to have the isolated pixel scan, you can work the individual areas very well with a strong covering brush and the color picker. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.